Hello everyone. Today I'm here to address a question that is being asked to me. And the question is, if generative AI could write, what about writing? And the simple answer to this question is we do not have to write anymore. Writing is a technology that which we humans have created and developed. And over the years, obviously, we have developed many other technologies along with writing to aid in writing. Generative AI is one of the technology that disrupts our traditional understanding of writing. Let me explain to you with an example. Today, when you open a Microsoft Word, you have fonts to choose from. Now, when you look at the history of these fonts were created by individuals, and also at the same time, it has certain kind of purposes as such. But today, we do not have to go to font writing school or class to use these fonts as such. Anyone can just open a Microsoft Word and use these fonts. Similarly, today, with generative AI, we can copy any kind of writing style, we can create any kind of writing style, and we can blend any kind of writing style. So when we think about writing as such, traditionally an individual takes years and years to develop a writing style. Today we do not have to do that anymore. With the coming of generative AI, learning a writing style has become much more easier, and also at the same time blending different kinds of writing style and experimenting with writing styles has become much more easier. And having said that, again, individuals do not actually have to write anymore. But again, having said that, creativity very much depends on individual. You have font styles for free does not mean you can actually create a visually appealing writing as such or visually appealing flyer as such. It's very much dependent on the individual. Similarly, even though with the coming of generative AI, we have all kinds of writing style in our fingertips, and we can blend different kinds of writing style, create new kind of writing style. But again, creativity very much is in the individual who is actually writing in that sense. And so this is something which as teachers we should be teaching to our students, and as students something which we should be learning, because in the age of generative AI, this is something which we will have to rethink. The idea of writing itself is something which we have to rethink. If you want to discuss this further, I'm always available for any kind of talks and discussion. And if you have certain question which can be addressed in few lines, please put it in the comment section.